Is Karen Nyamu trying too hard kana fiu ni acenjetie na riu ni ihinda ritu turiganirwo ni maria anatugereria tutanamuhe giti giki kia Women Rep Nairobi County wana niguo kagithurano gia 2027.
Tii ndio simu na chat nayo na wanaume.
Mweri uyu wa April, Karen niarakorirwo agikinya mbere ya Kikuyu Elders to be endorsed niguo ahote kurwirira giturwa kia Women Rep Nairobi County ona niguo ka mwaka wa 2027. As per now, Nyamu is a nominated senator na video ciake agithambio mehia niguo ahote gwethera atimia gacira Nairobi mamuthure 2027 nicio iragemirie social media mwisho wa kiumia kiu kirahitukire, but not everyone is buying her clean up story. Wana koretwo na ihinda riega ria gwethera atumia gacira ona ri senator wa guthukio no ihinda riu riothe akoretwo akihuthira na drama ciake itathiraga.
Even Nyamu, I have had occasion to sit her down, and tell her, she needs to change what she's doing.
Kiuria kinene ni who is behind Nyamu's clean up story, because igongona riri rironekana gukorwo rihuthirite besha na uria towe na mareto anakiona na kuigwa Nyamu na besha ni ithabu ritaingiraga gikabu kimwe kuona icanjama ciake ikoretwo nginya ikianika muhuko wake. November 2024, borithi na andu agutaha indo appeared at Nyamu's doorstep ni undu wa thirĩ wa rent wa over 1.5 million na uhoro nduri hau tondu thutha ucio Nyamu appeared na agitwira we arihagwo mushara wa 1.2M kogwo ndagiaga besha cia kuriha rent. Maheni matari na mihaka ni Nyamu akoretwo agitwarithia o mwaka ucio wa 2024 hindi ya Gen Z demonstrations. Nyamu posted this post akiuga foundation yake na kambuni ya guthondeka pads ya Cortex makoretwo makiaraniria niguo gu supply pads in slums, but dagika nini thutha ucio Cortex Kenya igikorwo ikiuga post iyo ya Nyamu ni fake, undu waihuritwo ni thoni nyingi muno. Tuthie na mbere na kwiyuria ciuria, does removing booty shots and changing the wardrobe now make us forget who deserves our vote? Kana hihi tuge tuyasahau yaliyopita na tuyagange yajayo, tuyukie muhesh mweru na mitugo yake mieru ya Ugikuyu? Twaranirie down the comment section na uka make sure ni uratiga your comment na uga subscribe na uga turn on your notification niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyagirwo ni video cito. Tucemanie in our next one.
Mono Ngai amurathime mororeme amekumia ciana cianyu ni ndathime na ni ndimwendete muno. Thank you so much.